Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into latest bathroom design ideas that are setting trends in 2024. Whether you're planning a renovation or just dreaming of a bathroom makeover, these ideas are sure to inspire you. First up, natural materials are making a big splash. Think elegant stone tiles, sleek marble countertops, and warm wooden accents. These elements create a soothing spa-like atmosphere that brings a touch of nature indoors. Combining textures like matte stone with polished marble can add depth and interest in your bathroom. Another trend gaining momentum is the rise of space-saving features. Wall-mounted toilets and floating vanities are not only stylish but also make your bathroom feel more spacious and less cluttered. They are perfect for small bathrooms where every inch counts. These fixtures give a clean, modern look while enhancing functionality. Smart technology is also transforming bathrooms into high-tech retreats. Imagine touchless faucets, programmable showers, and even heated floors at the touch of a button. These innovations not only add convenience but also elevate your bathroom experience, making it both comfortable and efficient. When it comes to color schemes, neutral tones are reigning supreme. Soft grays, beiges, and white creates a versatile and calming backdrop. These colors work well with a variety of accent pieces, whether you choose vibrant accessories, lush greenery, or chic metallics. The goal is to create a tranquil space where you can unwind. Lighting is another crucial element. Statement pieces like pendant lights or backlit mirrors are trending, and for good reason. They provide both functional lighting and stylish focal point, enhancing the overall ambience of your bathroom. Layering different light sources can also add depth and warmth to the space. Sustainability is also a growing concern, and modern bathroom designs are reflecting this with eco-friendly choices. Water-saving features, energy-efficient lighting, and sustainable materials are becoming standard. These features help reduce your environmental impact while maintaining a high level of style and functionality. Incorporating these latest trends into your bathroom design will not only update the look of your space but also enhance your daily routine. From the serenity of natural materials to the convenience of smart technology, these ideas offer a perfect blend of beauty and practicality. So, whether you're working with a small powder room or a grand master bath, these design trends will help you create a space that's both stylish and functional. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.